first thing is grapes. Now second is mango. And third is banana. And fourth is apple. Fruits give us vitamins and fiber. They help us grow strong, stay healthy, have energy, and protect us from getting sick. Let's go guys for this video. So we put this all in the bowl. So we put this in the freezer for 30 minutes. One is to put the cheese to the fruit salad. Freezer for 30 minutes. Let's have a taste. Wait, I need to call my mom first. Mama! Yes. You take the bite first.
Should we take a bite together and
Yeah,
make a cheers? Okay, let's try this.
I
You
need
like the grapes? There's a grapes here.
Yeah.
I like the grapes and the apple. Okay.
Now let's have a taste.
Okay.
So good. I love it. Cheers. So good.
Mm.
Yeah.
That's so good.
Thank you for watching. God bless us all richly.
Bye!